Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome. Ira, Jilan, Amrit, Prakul.
Good
Wonderful.
evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening,
evening, sir.
everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful children. So, meditation, when you say of meditation, what comes to your mind? The, it's like a stress relief, it comes like concentration, it comes like focus. All these things come to our mind. But when they come to our mind, the very important thing is we make a picture in our mind. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it is meditation will teach you how to make a picture of in your mind. Okay. Now picture can be of two types. One is imagination. Imagination means what you have not seen before. Let us say, let me ask you, Prakul, sit straight, please. Yeah, uh, yeah. Imagination means something that you have not seen before.
I can see on your screen it's written unleash your imagination.
Unleash your imagination. Correct. That's right.
Unleash it means that you should release your imagination.
That's right. So there are two words. One is imagination. Second is visualization. Imagination means something you are seeing the picture, but you have not seen it in actually. Let's say I am talking about the people on the moon. Have you seen anyone people on the moon? Prakul, देखा है आपने? नहीं. Jilan? नहीं. So that is imagination.
Only in
Yeah,
pictures also.
correct. So that is imagination. But first, suppose somebody has not seen even in the pictures. Let's say, okay, I am saying that is all in first time when you see something, imagine something which you have not seen before, it is called imagination. But first time when you have imagined and you have seen the picture, you have visualized in your mind, then it becomes visualization. Visualization means something that you have seen. Okay. Now, when we see this, from where does it, how do we see? With our eyes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
With our
but
eyes.
No, but sometimes we see imagination in our mind too.
Correct. That is your inside eyes of the eyes of the mind. Okay.
Yes, but how can you see imagination with the eyes over your outside?
No, you imagine. So what I'm saying is, with your eyes closed, you can still imagine something. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
with your eyes closed, you can even visualize something. Let us say you have seen your car, you have seen your house. So with your eyes closed, you can visualize. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So that is you are visualizing or imagining with your mind.
Yes, sir.
Right. Prakul, are you understanding better? आप
Yes,
समझ रहे हो?
sir.
Very
Yes,
nice.
sir.
Okay. I want to share one story with you just now. Do you want to listen to a story? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can I
sir.
say something?
Yes, say something.
Should I add? Should I? Actually, I had forgotten to send the link to my cousin. So should I still send it to her right now?
No, it's too late. Don't worry.
I'll send
Okay.
it to her next time.
Yeah, we will talk about it later on. We are recording just now, so we don't want unnecessary conversation just now. Okay?
So, could I ask you a question?
Yeah, please ask.
So, I have a report. My report card coming tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's a really important one.
Okay.
Really important one. Even
Yes.
though I know I've done well
Yes.
this year, is it natural for me to feel stressed?
No. Nothing is natural. Why should you? What for you should stretch? You know how you have done.
Yes.
If you have done good, good. If you have not done well, it's still bad, then still it's okay. No, what's so big deal about it?
Yes, sir.
You mean to say your mummy is going to give you one whack? No,
Somewhat, but
nobody. So it's all right. Correct. And even if you get a whack on your back, it's
Yes,
still
sir.
all right because your mom and dad love you. All
Yes.
right. They will never do it. All right. So let me share a story with you first. Chilan, are you ready? Prakul, are you ready? Story?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one day, one person climbed a mountain, right? Where there was a hermit. Hermit, you know, monk. Monk.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
all know monk? Chilan?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it a
Buddhist
sage?
monk.
Sage?
A Buddhist
Sage?
sage. A Buddhist sage.
Correct. Now, so please don't ask questions in between. If you know it, it's good enough. Okay? Right. Ira, Amrit. So, anyone, any monk, it could be a sage like what Ira is saying. So, one person climbed a mountain where a hermit is also another name for a sage or a monk.
Yes.
He was meditating. This person took shelter. He asked, "Can I take a shelter in your hut?"
Yes, sir.
So the saint said, "Yes, you can, sure." And
Yes,
then,
sir.
yeah, please, Amrit, don't acknowledge in between. It gets disturbed. Okay? Yeah. No, you can keep yourself unmuted. There's no problem. But so that man asked the monk, "What are you doing here alone on the top of a mountain in such a lonely place?" To which the saint replied, the sage replied, "I have lots of work. I have lots of work." The person was surprised and asked, "How can you have so much work? I don't see anything anywhere, anybody around here. Your hut is empty. There's nobody else over here. How can you have so much work?" Okay, Prakul, are you listening to what I'm saying better?
Yes, sir.
Because I will ask you to write that story afterwards, everyone. Okay. So he said, "How can you have so much of work?" The person was surprised. He says, "I don't see anything." The monk or that saint smiled and said, "I have to train 2 hawks." You know what are hawks? Hawks are eagles. Yeah. Okay. Prakul, you know what is hawk? Eagle?
Yes, sir.
The huge bird, the big bird. Okay. I have, Ira, you know now what is eagle?
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Yeah. I'm asking Ira. Acha. Do you know what is hawk? Ira?
Eagle.
Eagle. Yeah. It's a huge eagle is called hawk. So the saint said, "I have 2 hawks and 2 eagles to train. Assure, I have got 2 rabbits to train. I've got to discipline 1 snake. I have to motivate a donkey. I have to tame a lion." Means the saint said, "I welcome Atharva." Right. Okay, I'm telling a story. Atharva, since you joined just now, I will quickly, can you hear me, Atharva?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So please keep quiet. Just keep listening to me. Ask the question at the end. So there was a man. He went up the mountain and he saw one sage, a monk, and he took a shelter in his hut. Then that man asked the sage, "What are you doing here alone?" So he said, "Look, I've got a lot of things to do." He said, "But I don't see anyone around here." So how have you got a lot of things to do? He said, no, I have to train 2 hawks, 2 eagles. I have to train rabbit. I have to discipline a snake. I have to motivate a donkey.
I have to switch
And
off my camera now.
who wants to switch off the camera? Who, you are, Amrit? Huh?
No,
Oh,
I think that was, yes.
okay. Please keep listening. Don't disturb me for this.
Can
Then
you
see,
repeat what did you say? I have lot of things to do. After that,
That-
what did you say?
that monk said, I have lot of things to do. Monk was actually meditating. But that man asked, what are you doing here? He doesn't know what is meditation, for somebody like you. Okay. So he said, I have lot of things to do, like train 2 hawks, 2 eagles, train rabbits, discipline a snake, motivate a donkey, and tame a lion. Means to train a lion. So that person said, but where are they? I don't see any of them. I don't see a rabbit. I don't see a snake. I don't see a lion. I don't see the hawks. Saint said, you know what did Saint say? He said, I have them all within my body. I have them all within my body. The hawks stare on everything that is presented to me. The hawks, the eagles stare at everything presented to me, good or bad. I have to work on them to see only good things. So what are the hawks? They are my eyes. What are hawks? They are my eyes. Yes, Prakul, are you with me? Yes, they are. So hawks are my eyes. I have to train them. Then the 2 eagles with their claws. I have to train the 2 eagles. Eagles have what? Claws. Claws
Yes.
means panja.
Yes.
Like this. Can you see my hand? These are the claws. Claws of an eagle. Okay?
Yes.
I have claws. The 2 eagles with their claws hurt and destroy. I have to train them to hurt. They keep hurting someone, those claws. So I have to train my hand. Those claws are like my hand.
Yes, sir.
My hand. So I have to train them not to hurt somebody. Then I have what? Rabbit. I spoke about rabbit, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Rabbits want to go where they want. They keep, you know how the rabbits, they jump from here, they go there, all these places. At
Yes,
the
sir.
same time, they do not want to face difficult situation. Rabbits are always very scared. They don't want to face difficult situations.
Yes, sir.
So I have to teach them to remain calm. I have to teach rabbits to remain calm, even if there is suffering or stumbling. That means those rabbits are my feet.
Yes, sir.
My heart, I have to remain calm. My mind, I have to remain calm.
Yes.
And the donkey is always tired because he is carrying a lot of weight, always carrying some weight or the other. So donkey is always tired. Donkey is a stubborn animal and does not want to carry the load. Each time I walk, donkey will always make nakra, do something. They don't want to carry the load. So that is my body. I have to train my body to carry the weight. And the most difficult is to tame the snake. Most difficult thing
It's to
is to
discipline the snake. Discipline it.
discipline means control them. make them obey your
Yes,
orders.
yes, so that they do not sting people.
Yes, the most difficult is to tame the snake, although it is locked in a strong cage.
Yes, sir.
Snake is locked in a strong cage. बहुत मजबूत पिंजरे में उसको बांधा हुआ है. But the snake is always ready to sting like this, bite
Yes,
and,
sir.
and poison anyone nearby. Yes, Atharva, what is the question?
So you're just saying that you have to like control your impulses like the snake. So you have to
Yes.
discipline the snake.
Yes, you have to discipline the snake like I have to discipline my tongue. How does snake bite? From their tongue? Yes or no? The
Yes.
snake bite from their tongue. So I have to discipline my tongue. The snake is my tongue. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right? Then I
Yeah.
also have one more person to deal with. That is, who's that left? Lion. Yes, lion. I'm very proud. Full of lion is very proud, full of vanity. Means he thinks that he is
He's
the
the
king.
best.
Lion
Can
thinks
you repeat? Can you repeat who is the snake?
snake is the tongue. Tongue.
But how do you control the tongue? Didn't understand. How can you call that as a snake?
Because the snake represents a tongue in our body. The snake bites, sends poison with your tongue. Yes or no?
Isn't the
We say some words that hurts other people.
Correct. So with your tongue, you can hurt other people, like Prakul has said just now. So you have to
isn't the
be very
lion like
careful. You have to be very careful what you speak. Means you don't need to hurt anyone.
Yes, sir.
You don't
Yes.
need
Yes.
to hurt. Ira, are you understanding?
Yes, and the lion is represented in your body as your hands, right? As claws, right?
No,
No.
the claws, eagle. Eagle is represented as claws, your hands.
Oh,
Isn't
Right.
the lion like your
he
skull
thinks
and
he's the
bark?
king, and lion thinks he's the king of the jungle. Okay. So, but lion represents my ego. You know what is ego?
Yes, it's like your pride and
Yeah.
like what
Like
you
when
say
you think you're the
before.
best, but you're
it's
not.
your arrogance.
Yes.
Arrogance, right? Too much of self-pride.
Attitude.
So many famous people.
Yeah.
So many.
Amrit, see, when you speak, you please raise your hand because we need to give chance to other people to speak also. Is it fair? Yeah.
Yes, that's true.
Okay. Right. You are the eldest person here, so you know a lot of things. People like Prakul, Ira, Abhyuday, Advay. Welcome, Abhyuday, Advay. Nice to see you here. So we were sharing a story, but you people came very early for next Sunday. So I already shared a okay. I've already shared a story. Means so you see, my friends.
Sir, today we weren't home, so we got a little late.
Okay, never mind. So you see, that monk said, my friend, I have lots of work, and you, what do you work on? What do you work on? We all have to work on what? All these are 5 senses. Yes or no?
Yes.
The hawk represents your eyes. The eagles represent your touch. The sense of touch. You know all sense of touch, Prakul?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is that? Rabbit is your
rabbit is your legs.
Yeah, is your legs. Okay. So rabbit is a
That wants to
leg.
go to another place.
Yes,
Doesn't want to be still.
doesn't want to be a still. So all these things, what a hermit, that monk is telling that person, ki I have to deal and control all my five senses. Sense of seeing, my eyes, my ears, my nose, smell, my mouth, the tongue, eh, and the touch. All these five senses are very, very important. So I have to teach them. He says the most difficult thing to tame is what? Most difficult thing to control is
Snake.
eh?
Tongue.
Tongue. Who said that?
Is your tongue.
Prakul.
Prakul, wonderful, great.
Me.
And Amrit also tongue. So Abhyuday and Advay, which is the most difficult thing to control?
Tongue.
Tongue. So although it is locked in my strong cage, this is the cage, mouth is the cage,
Yes, sir.
and tongue is locked
Yes.
inside, but still it is very difficult because moment we open our mouth, we say something wrong, it will hurt someone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we need to control our tongue. So it's like a snake. I have to discipline my tongue. I also have a lion within me. Each one of us have got lion within you.
No,
That's
sir.
ego. Ego. Lion within you is what?
Ego.
Lion also means bravery.
Correct. Lion also means bravery. But
And
here
power.
we
But
are.
so that's stupid. Sometimes, like, well, let's say, how do I say this? When you wanna try to be the best, but you can't.
Amrit, if you go back like this, I will then not talk to you. You have to keep your camera steady. You are going back. Slowly you went back.
No, the laptop was getting that, so I was.
No. You have to keep it like this. Everyone keep it steady. Atharva, please keep your hand down. No movement. Everyone's. Where are you, Atharva? Why is your mobile phone moving continuously? It's in your hand.
I think he's in the car.
Atharva, where are you?
So
Because
he's in the car.
you can't come for meditation class like this. Okay, tell your mom and dad to be little more cautious. See, you can't do meditation.
So
They are going to start a meditation class now. Okay.
Oh, so
So you heard.
I can't be
so
in
this is-
meditation if I'm somewhere outside.
Huh? Yeah.
It's like, oh, okay. Should I tell them right now?
Okay. You see. You can turn off your video, Atharva, please, because it's distracting. Continuously moving. You turn off your video. Right. Okay.
Okay.
So you see, my friends, I have lot of work, and what do you think? So what we need to think just now is I need to, let's do some meditation.
But when does the story end?
The story ends after this hermit, the monk, explained to him that all this is the thing that this is what he is doing. So that person understood the monk is really very serious about meditation, and by meditation, the monk will be able to control all his five senses. Our five senses in the body, which we have mentioned here just now, are very important.
But our skin is one of the senses, but you have not mentioned our skin.
Yeah, the skin is hand, what he said.
Yes.
Right. So you have to keep all the sense of touch, the sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of sound, hearing. So we need to work on them. And then that person learned that monk who is sitting all alone in the hut on top of a mountain is doing meditation. And this is how the meditation will help us.
And even sitting so high on the mountain all alone, he
No,
accomplishes a lot.
yeah, he accomplishes a lot. You are absolutely right. Okay, so let us do one meditation exercise, our breath awareness. And to keep all our five senses under control, that means we should not have ego, we should be able to see better, we should be able to hear well, we should be able to smell nice. Yes or no? All of us want that or not? All of you, Abhyuday, Advay, correct? Yeah. So, and all this will be under our control if we practice mindful breath awareness meditation. Okay. So let's begin. Sit down straight. Yeah. Sit down straight, please. Okay. And keep your body immobile. Who is disturbing you, Ira Shah? Okay. Right. Please mute yourself. All of you, I can
I'm on mute. I'm on mute only.
No, no, no. You are now. You are. Everybody is on mute. Now listen to me, and right. Okay. All ready? Sit straight. Close your eyes, and keep your body steady. No movement. For 5 minutes, you are not going to move your body. Prakul, Jilan, Abhyuday, Advay, Atharva, Amrit, Ira, keep your Amrit, relax. Don't close your eyes tight. Very gently you have to close your eyes. बहुत धीरे से आपको अपनी आंख बंद करनी है.
Do we have to cross our legs?
No, you have to keep your legs straight.
Yes.
Legs straight, flat on the ground. Sit straight on the chair without the backrest. Don't use the backrest. Sit straight. Hands on your lap. Hands on your lap. Okay. Now, no movement whatsoever. Keep your body straight. Listen to my instructions. मैं जो भी बोलता हूँ मेरी बात सुनते जाओ और अगर कुछ बात छूट जाए उसकी चिंता मत करना. जो उस समय बोल रहा हूँ बस उस बात को सुनना और करना. So whatever in the present you are able to do it. If you miss any instructions, then it's all right. You are not to move your body. Children, keep it steady. No, keep your video on so I can. Only Atharva is allowed to keep it off because he's probably traveling in the car and his video is moving. Okay, no problem. Once we begin meditation, let anything happen, Ira, you are not moving your body. Prakul, even if you feel scratchy, do not scratch. Just leave it. It will go away very soon. What you have to do is bring your attention to your nostril. Bring your attention to your chest. Observe the chest rising and falling with each breath. Think of nothing else, just your chest rising and falling as you breathe. Wonderful. All of you are doing so beautiful. Wonderful. Yeah. Keep your body immobile. Right. Keep yourself steady. If you have to cough, yes, you can do that. Please don't worry. Keep a glass. Next time, you must have a glass of water in case you are something. But not everyone can drink a water during meditation. No, not allowed. Just focus your mind on your chest, rising and falling with each breath. Keep a smile on your face. I want to see a smile on your lips, each one of you. Advait, Jilan, Abhyuday, Prakul, Aira, Amrit. Right. Keep your body straight, relaxed, head straight. Wonderful. Very nice, Amrit. Very nice, Prakul. Abhyuday and Advait, excellent. Aira, excellent. Jilan, very good. Atharva, very nice. Keep on doing that. You don't have to breathe deeply. Just breathe naturally and just focus how it is happening. Just focus how your breath is happening naturally. It's breath at your nostril, going in, coming out. Going in, coming out. Wonderful. Keep on doing it. Keep your body steady. No movement, come what may. Even if you feel scratchy, it's all right. Don't move, don't touch. Amrit, you have to keep yourself steady. Let anything happen. You are not. Say to yourself, let anything happen, I am not going to move. Make a strong determination. Now bring your attention to your nostril and observe the breath going in and out. Notice how breath flows inside your nostril, how breath flows outside again. Notice how your chest rises and falls gently. Normal, natural breath. Because your body knows what air it needs. Sometimes the breath may be deep, it's all right. Sometimes the breath may be shallow, it's all right, let it be so. Sometimes the breath may be cool, let it be so. Sometimes the breath coming out may be warm, let it be so. Just observe the breath going in, coming out. This is breath awareness. Simply let the thoughts pass by. आपके जो भी विचार आते हैं आने दो. Do not try to stop any thoughts. Let it come, they will go away on their own. When you are paying attention, focusing on the breath, your thoughts will come and go away. Continue to maintain your attention at your breath. If your mind drifts away, goes away, simply notice it. My mind has gone, and bring it back to your nostril. Bring it back to your nostril. Do not move, Jilan. You are putting on video, putting off video, no movement at all. Don't touch your mobile phone at all. You have, each one of you have to make extra effort and a strong determination. I shall not move. Say to yourself, I shall not move, come what may. Beautiful. Sit straight, relaxed. Keep your eyes gently closed till the end. Keep a smile on your face. Remember to keep a smile on your face. Do not move. Just be still. Follow my instructions. Even if you miss any, it's okay. Your mind may wander again and again. That's okay. It's not a problem at all. If this is happening to you, just bring your attention back to your breathing. Amrit, you are not to move. Make a determination. Now bring your focus on your mouth. Bring your attention on your mouth with your lips slightly apart. With your lips slightly apart. आपका मुंह, आपके होठ थोड़े से खुले हुए होने चाहिए. You can feel your breath leaving your body from your mouth. नाक से अंदर सांस ले रहे हो. You are breathing through your nostril. Now breathing out through your mouth. You can feel it. Feel the breath coming out on your lips. In, out. You can feel the warm air leaving your mouth. You can feel the cool air entering your nostril. Feel the cool air entering your nostril. You can feel how warm your breath is. You can feel how cool your breath is when it is entering the nostril and when it is leaving the mouth as it passes through your lips. You can feel the vibrations as they leave, tingling sensations on your lips. When the breath is leaving your body, feel the tingling sensation on your lips. So focus only on the breath leaving your body. Don't worry about breathing in. Now, do not worry about breathing in. It is a natural process. Just focus on the breath coming out of your mouth. Just focus on the breath coming out of your mouth. Keep notice how your body feels, how calm it feels, how peaceful it feels. See how calm and gentle your breathing is and how very relaxed your body is right now. Feeling peaceful, so safe, very calm, very happy. Now, one more time, take a deep breath in and breath out slowly and gently. Take one more deep breath through your nostril and breathing out through your mouth. Keep your eyes closed. Notice the sound around you? What are the sounds around you? What can you hear? What can you hear? Put your head down. Put your head down. Keep your eyes closed. Now feel the floor beneath your feet. Feel the chair you are sitting on. Is your chair soft or hard? Don't turn your body down. Amrit, what are you doing? Don't rest your body on the table in the front. How does it feel? Feel the clothes of your body against your body. Feel the clothes against your body. Now wriggle your fingers, move your fingers, wriggle your toes of the feet. Shrug your shoulders a little bit. Shrug your shoulders. Very nice. Very nice. Excellent, everyone. Excellent, everyone. Yes. Stretch if you want to stretch yourself. Put your head up and open your eyes. Yes. Yes. Okay. Great. Now, rub your palm. Rub your palm. Cup your palm like this. Straight cup like this. Now, energize your eyes. Like press it against your eyes. The warm, the garam आपकी हथेली आँख को बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. The warm palm of your hand will give a very nice feeling to your eyes. That's it. Once enough. Good enough. Thank you so much. Love you all.
Can I say something?
No. Okay, say something. My sweetheart.
That I always get tears. I don't know when I shut my eyes for so long.
No, it's all right. It's okay.
It's because I think that I'm squeezing my eyes and they should shut naturally instead of me squeezing them. I think that's why tears are coming.
Hmm. Yes. You should shut your eyes naturally. Right. Yes. Amrit, Prakul, Abhyuday, Advay, Jilan, Atharva. Share your experience. What do you have to say?
Sir, my body was itching during the meditation and I was feeling cold because of the fan. My feet were getting cold when I was trying to put my attention on my nose. Every time my feet is getting cold and my attention is going on the feet again.
Okay. So next time when you are coming for the class, please arrange that you are wearing a socks. The fan is turned off because it's getting colder. Winter is coming in Calcutta. You are from Calcutta, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Kolkata. So,
But
yeah.
I like to stay in fan. I don't like the.
Okay, don't worry. Reduce your fan speed. All right, you can
It is
do
on
that.
2, sir.
All right. So you have to ask your mom how you can make yourself more better, comfortable. All right. Okay. And how about Jilan? How did you like it? What's your experience?
So it was very good.
Were you able to keep your body steady? Right. Okay. Nice. Abhyuday, Advay, how was your experience? The little masters, both of you are masters here, I tell you. Great.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And both of you were the most steady people, did not move. You, both of you, Advay and also Prakul, very steady. Also Ira, very steady. Absolutely steady. Very good. So share, how was your experience? Atharva, I'll come to you. And Amrit, I'll come to you. Yeah. Tell me, how was your experience? Were you able to do it? Did you face any difficulty?
No, sir, I was able to do it.
Wonderful. Absolutely, you are my dearest souls. Wonderful. Great. So, and yes, Atharva, what's your question?
Oh, you were asking about my experience, so I raised my hand.
Yeah, please share your experience.
So the calmness in the end was better than when I started, because
Yeah.
now the person does not feel like I want to move because they have been inactive for so long.
Okay, very nice. Thank you. Amrit, you're sharing your
Yes, yes, you in the middle, you told us a point in the meditation that whatever thoughts that are coming to you, let them go.
Yeah.
Let thoughts come to you, let them go.
Yes,
So good thoughts came to me and bad thoughts came to me.
yes,
But I was happier when the bad thoughts came to me because they went away.
right. And good thoughts didn't go away.
So bad thoughts, you never keep them in mind, but good thoughts always cheer you up.
No. So it's very important. Whatever knowledge we have of our meditation, previous meditation, and what we have done.
Yes, sir.
Some of you maybe have known about what is meditation and have practiced meditation before. Abhyuday, I'll come to you. Okay. Some of you must have done meditation before. At least you know the definition or the meaning of meditation. Okay.
Yes.
So I want you to forget all that previous knowledge.
Yes.
Can you do that? All of you promise? Huh?
Yes.
Jilan, Atharv, Ira, Prakul, Abhyuday,
Yes.
Advay, Amrit,
Yes, sir.
just at the moment, whatever you are learning in the class, just remember that. There
Yes.
are different schools of thought, means there are different people teaching meditation in different way. Now,
Yes.
if you are coming to my class, you must give it a fair trial, isn't it? Fair trial means whether this class is good or not good.
Yes,
But
sir.
only it will be good or bad if you try it out as I'm telling you. Okay. So, Amrit, what you have said is very
Yes.
nice. Amrit, excellent your experience. The thoughts will come, but if you are not paying attention to your thoughts, you don't have to pay your attention. Your
Yes.
attention is where? Abhyuday, Jolly, Amrit, attention is on the nostril, on the breath, right?
Yes, sir.
At the same time, thoughts are coming, going.
Yes, sir.
So if you don't pay attention, they will go away. That is the law of the nature. Ira, Jilan, are you understanding that?
Yes, sir.
Prakul, so
But how,
aapko,
but how do we remove our attention from the thoughts? That's what I'm not getting. And
correct.
how does your attention fall on the thoughts? That also.
So every time your attention goes to the thought, remind yourself, I have to come back to the breath. That's it. It's very simple. Just remind yourself, I have to come back to my breath. Okay? It will go. Your mind, you are still just very young. You are just beginning the meditation. You are not like that sage, the hermit on the mountain. Okay? He has
Yes.
taken years to control his thoughts. He's not in meditation. I never say control your thoughts. Don't control your thoughts.
Yes, sir.
Just what I'm saying is pay attention to your thoughts. Every time your thought goes to something happening, good or bad, oh, I'll bring it back to breath. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Bring it back to breath. Yeah, Abhyuday, you have any question? Abhyuday, anyone?
Audrey wanted to say something.
Can I
Yeah.
say how I felt when I was doing the meditation?
Yeah.
It felt really good when I did it, but when I was keeping my feet down, it was feeling a little cold, and my eyes were a little struggling of keeping them shut, and I always wanted to feel like opening them.
Very nice. Excellent, Advait. Very good. See, whatever you are saying, the feeling, the experience, that means the impurities, the bad things in our mind are going out. Feeling cold, tears, like Ira said, tears in my eyes. So in our mind, there are a lot of impurities.
So could I quickly get my charge? It's in 5%.
What happened?
Could I quickly get my charge in my laptop 5%?
Yeah. Go. Okay. So please, that's very nice. Huh? Good feeling. You know why are we doing meditation? Because our mind has got lot of impurities. Impurities means negatives. Do you understand what is negatives? Means bad feelings, bad thoughts. Prakul, are you understanding? Jilan?
Yes, sir.
So through meditation, we clear our mind of impurities, means negative thoughts automatically. So all that you have to do, you are not going to remove the impurities from your mind. You don't have to remove. That is the nature will do it. What you have to do is pay attention to your breath. That's all. When you pay attention to your breath, whatever other sensations, we keep getting sensations in other part of the body. We keep getting various thoughts. They will go away automatically. They will go away. You will become better and better person. You will become better means you will be able to concentrate better on your academics. You will be better at your sports. You will be better at your creativity. You will be better at all your extracurricular activities like playing games, your debate, your elocution, whatever you want to do. You will be better at dancing. You'll be better at singing. Just if you practice breath awareness meditation, not any other meditation. Breath awareness meditation is mother of all meditations. Okay, it's mother of all meditation.
Can you give some examples of other types of meditations?
No, I don't want to give you other types of meditation examples here because I don't want you to learn any other meditation here just now. Okay, right? Very nice question, but Ira, brilliant. And Prakul, you have to sit straight, learn to sit steady, everyone. You can't be doing like this, like that. Prakul. आप क्लास में ऐसे करते हो क्या जब आप स्कूल में जाते हो तो नहीं करते हैं ना हाँ अच्छा बोलो अभ्युदय आपको भी बोलना था सॉरी वी वेंट अवे समथिंग
No, sir, I didn't want to say.
you are okay are you happy now number 1 Amrit last time also you had that laptop charging problem so all those who are laptop when you sit for the class please ensure that your charging is already on.
Yes, sir.
You have to make
Or your device should be 100% fully charged.
no, even if it is fully charged, please connect the charging on. During the meditation, during the class, I don't want your attention to go, it is discharged, this happened, that happened. No. Please keep that already charged and connected. Even if it is 100% charged, keep it connected. Okay. Number 2, you are not to sit in your bed. You must sit on your chair when you come next time. Okay, all of you, right? And when you come, when you are joining, you must, first thing, turn on your video, unmute yourself and check your audio. The very nice, polite way of checking audio is, good morning, sir, good evening, sir, whatever is your time in your place. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
if you say good evening, good morning, then I know you are audible.
Yes,
or
sir.
if you are not audible, then I will tell you I can't hear anything. check your system, check your mic,
Yes, sir.
and adjust your video. Again, Amrit, please, you must adjust your video. It should show.
So next time I just change my laptop.
No, there's no next time now. Please arrange it. When you come, you must be fully prepared. Okay?
Yes.
Right. And Prakul, you must also sit on a chair, put your legs down, not put your legs up. अभी आपने पाँव ऊपर किए ना? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना. Okay? Let's maintain and keep a glass of water next to you. All right? Not bottle, glass. Okay? Glass. Because bottle से आप ऐसे पानी पीते हो, वो अच्छी बात नहीं है. सबके सामने हम bottle से पानी नहीं पीते हैं. All right? Jillian, you got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wonderful. So, and again, please tell your mummy, daddy to give 15 minutes before the class. You must be here 7:45. किधर भी जाओ, मम्मी डैडी 7:30 बजे वापस आना है घर में. If you like the class, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. I want to give you one assignment for your 1 week. Are you ready to do some assignment?
Yes, sir.
So,
Okay.
We have to write the whole
Sir,
story.
Yeah,
No,
please write down. One is practice breath awareness twice a day, 5 to 10 minutes every day. Okay? Practice. Come what may. You are not missing your meals. You are not missing lunch, breakfast, dinner. Don't miss breath awareness. Because if you practice every day, you will find so much of change. You are becoming a better and better person. You will be able to remember your studies, your chapter, your subject much, much better. Yeah, Ira?
Well, do we have to practice it twice a day for 5 to 10 minutes? So each time 5 to 10 minutes?
Yeah, that's right. So it's like this. I know, Ira, you are 9 o'clock, your class starts. Somebody is switching on your computer. You are rushing. No. Get up half an hour before, get up in time. Make sure your breath awareness meditation is more important than your lunch dinner. Okay?
Yes,
More
sir.
important. It's only 5 minutes I'm asking. No, 5 minutes is big thing. Am I asking Jillian? Is it
No.
big
No.
thing? No.
No.
Prakul, is 5 minutes too much? Not at all.
No,
We
sir.
can all do it. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes before going to sleep. Okay?
Yes.
Then second is you have to write a small paragraph, each one of you, on what love means to you. Write down what love means to me. Please write down this question.
Can you put this up on the chat box?
No chat box. I've closed the chat box.
Yes, so can you tell it to us? So we have to write what love means in a one paragraph.
Maybe 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, whatever you think love means to you. And okay, right. What love means to you, love with your parents, love with your brothers, sisters, okay? Love with your friends, what love means to me, okay, right? Okay. Great.
Yes, sir.
And third one is gratitude, means being thankful. Every day you will write next 7 days. You have to start a separate notebook, okay? Notebook where you are going to do this homework. You have to write what time you did your meditation practice, morning, evening, what love means to me. Third one, every day, this is only once, twice. What love me only once. But every day you have to write, I am thankful for what? You have to write 3 thankful gratitude means I am thankful to my cook who made the lovely food. I am thankful to my uh, mama for so and so. For what? Eh? I am thankful to three people you have to be thankful. I am thankful to my whoever comes to your house or whom you met, whom you are very nice person. I am grateful to them. I am thankful to them. Okay. Have you understood, Prakul? Jalen?
Yes, sir.
Abhyuday, Advay, both of you please maintain a separate notebook or diary.
Yes.
Atharva, clear?
We have to write any three things that we are grateful for during
Yes.
the day.
Anything before in the before going to sleep every day.